Hello, I'm Maria, and today I'm going to show you how to fix and troubleshoot server-related errors in WordPress. Your server is responsible for storing all of your WordPress site's files and communicating with browsers to make your content available to users. While the 400 and 500 errors already listed involve your server in some way, there are some more WordPress-specific issues that can be caused by problems with your server. We want to help you fix those errors. But before we get too far, I want to let you know that there will be links to more resources in this video's description. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. All right, let's jump right in. Your hosting provider allocates a certain amount of server memory to your site. In the event that you reach your server's memory limit, you may run into issues installing a new plugin or theme, or uploading media files to your site. Instead of successfully adding your new resource, you'll see a message that reads, "Fatal error, allowed memory size has been exhausted." If this happens, you can try increasing your PHP memory limit by editing your wp config.php file. Alternatively, you could check how much disk space you're using, see if you can improve your PHP memory limit, and consider upgrading to a new hosting plan that offers more space for your growing WordPress site. On a similar note, your host also sets a limit on the maximum size for individual files that you can upload to your server. You can see the limit by navigating to Media, Add New in your WordPress dashboard and looking for the maximum upload file size. The default upload size at Kinsta is 128 megabytes. If you need to upload a file that is larger than the specified maximum size, you can change the limit by editing your php.ini file. Alternatively, you can contact your hosting provider to discuss the issue with them. This is far simpler and less risky than trying to change it yourself and shouldn't be an issue for your host support team. Servers have time limits on how long scripts can run. In the event that a PHP script on your WordPress site takes longer than the allotted time limit, you'll likely see the message, "Fatal error, maximum execution time exceeded." You can resolve this issue by increasing your site's execution time limit. To do so, you'll need to find the script that is running too long, which is likely part of a plugin or theme, and then remove it. Adding images to your posts and pages can make them more useful, interesting, and drive additional organic traffic. However, you'll have a difficult time doing this if you see a message like "Upload failed to write file to disk" whenever you try to add media files to your site. This error is often due to incorrect file permissions. You can fix this problem by changing your file permissions via File Transfer Protocol, or FTP. However, it can also be an issue with your server. When you upload files to WordPress, they are first saved to a temporary folder on your server. Then, they are moved to the appropriate WordPress directory. If changing your file permissions doesn't fix this error, contact your host and ask them to empty out your temporary files directory, as it may be full and preventing uploads. When you update your WordPress installation's core files, your site has to connect to WordPress.org. Sometimes, due to your server's configuration, this isn't possible. The result is a warning in your WordPress dashboard. As this is a problem directly related to your server, you'll likely need to contact your host in order to resolve it. Your server may be under a DDoS attack, in which case the error should resolve on its own shortly. Alternatively, you can try fixing the problem yourself by pointing your server towards WordPress.org through Secure Shell Protocol. Oh, and by the way, if you host your site at Kinsta, we offer a security guarantee for all sites hosted with us. This means if your WordPress site is hacked, we'll work with you for free to try and undo the damage. Kinsta's WordPress hosting can speed up your website by up to 200%. And you'll get 24/7 support from our expert WordPress engineers. Let us show you the Kinsta difference. Try a free demo of our My Kinsta dashboard at demo.kinsta.com. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.